From the gardens, from the farms, for people with taste. Eggs, fresh from the chicken coop, fruity juices, lovingly simmered jams, all handmade, with care and tradition. Juicy fruits, harvested from nearby orchards, accompanied by aromatic fruit juices, sun-ripened, all natural. In the glass, characterful organic wines, be it a full-bodied red or an elegant white, every drop tells the story of Parcines' rich soil. Also, fine spirits and grappa, in a variety of flavors, distilled with experience, intuition, and passion. Herbs in abundance, freshly picked or gently dried. Next to them, fragrant pantries, homemade jams, and delicacies straight from the garden. A glance at the shelves reveals everything comes from a single source. Wine, eggs, jams, crafted with heart, offered with love. Finest spec, premium olive oil, high-quality organic products made with a strong commitment to quality. The busy bees, quiet helpers with great rewards. Honey, salves, wax, nature's finest gifts. And something truly special, a sparkling honey wine you'll only find here, golden yellow, delicately bubbly, a true original. Straight from the farm, made with heart.